Hello everyone! Today we're gonna keep having fun with shapes. Do you know which animal we're gonna make today? A monkey! Let's get started. We're gonna take a small circle and put it right there. That's our ear. And then the other brown circle, ta-da, as the other ear. Okay, now we take the smaller pink circles or red circles as the inside part of the ear, and then the other one to make the other ear. Okay, now that the ear is ready, we're gonna take the big brown circle to make the face. One, two, three parts to make the face. Now, what should be here on the face? Of course, the eyes. Let's take one eye and put it right there. And the other eye, let's put it right there. Two eyes. So cute, this little monkey. And what else are missing? The two nostrils. Small little circles to put right there. That's good. And then the other one should stay just beside the other circle. Ta-da! Monkey! Look, this is our monkey. It looks so cute. I have a question for you. Do you know what a monkey likes to eat? Peaches and bananas. Good job. I love my monkey. Do you love yours? Bye.